There are two teams of experts behind AIDelayX. The first is professional traders with over 5 years of experience in the market who know all the ins and outs of price movements. The second is a team of developers in the field of artificial intelligence who create world-class algorithms. We have combined trading experience and cutting-edge AI technologies to create a product that has no analogues on the market today. AIDelayX detects the delay in quotes between data providers and brokers. When the market moves on one platform, our algorithm already knows that this movement will soon be reflected by the broker. You receive the signal before everyone else and enter the market with a time advantage. AIDelayX is not just signals. It is artificial intelligence that analyses dozens of patterns and confirms the reliability of entry. More than 8 quote providers. The more sources, the higher the accuracy. A delay of up to 50 seconds. This is your advantage against the market. Built-in risk management and complete trade analytics. So you understand where the market is stronger and where you should be more cautious. This is how a trader receives a signal from the program. Everything is clear. Direction, expiration time and delay time, latency edge, risk management, and even the recommended entry amount. We open a trade directly on the pocket option broker. And now pay attention. We turn on the AIDelayX chart. Look closely. A new candle has already appeared on the AIDelayX chart. The system has detected a movement impulse. This candle is not yet visible on the broker's platform and will only appear in a few seconds. The price on the broker's platform repeats what we have already seen in advance. It is this time shift that gives us an advantage. We enter the trade before the market shows this movement at the broker. Time is profit. The future of trading is already here today. AIDelayX. We turn delay into your advantage. Join us and trade one step ahead.